I'm going to show you how to set up your Amazon seller account in just 5 minutes. And to prove it to you, let's start the timer. And the first step for you to set up your seller account is to go to sell.amazon.com and click on sign up. Now, warning, be careful because there are two different types of accounts that you can use to sell on Amazon. The first one is the professional Amazon seller account, which is $39.99 a month. But there's actually a free Amazon seller account, and Amazon hides this. You have to scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on the sign up button where it says sign up to become an individual seller. But there is a catch with the individual seller account. If you use this account, you're going to have to pay an additional 99 cents for every unit you sell. So even though it's free, it's going to cost you an extra 99 cents per unit, meaning that if you plan on selling 40 or more units per month, I recommend to sign up as a professional seller account because they cap that fee at $39.99. And there are a lot of other features for professional sellers, like you can add multiple users, you can build a brand with enhanced product pages, and a bunch of other benefits. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the sign up button. This is what I recommend for most of the students in my program. Just sign up for the professional seller account. And then you're going to log into your Amazon account. If you don't have an Amazon account already, you can click create a new account and you'll click on begin. The first thing you'll do is select your business location. For me, it's the United States. But if you're not located within the United States, you can still sell on Amazon in the US, but you'll need an LLC or a DBA, which is the next question that Amazon asks you. It says select your business entity type. For most people, you'll select privately owned business, meaning you've set up an LLC or a DBA for your business. If you're outside the US, you can create a US-based LLC with websites like wyregisteredagent.com, and it's going to cost you around $250. It's a very easy process. But if you're in the US and don't have a business legally set up, you can select none, I'm an individual seller. And before we go to the next step, make sure to smash that like button because it's only going to be a few more minutes before you know how to sign up for your Amazon seller account. So we're going to select your business type and put in the name of your business. For me, I do have a legal business. It's Passion Product LLC. And if you are in the US and you're looking to start up your own LLC, you can use websites like LegalZoom.com where you can set up an LLC for free in your state. Now, I chose the name Passion Product LLC for my business because that is the name of my Amazon FBA program. It's called the Passion Product Formula. And if you are looking to get more help setting up your own Amazon business, there's a link down below for more information about my Amazon FBA program. So click on that link down below to get more information about how I can help you to start your own Amazon FBA business. From here, you'll check to confirm everything is correct and click continue. At this point, you'll put in some information about your business, like your registration number, which is your EIN number, and you can get this for free by going to the IRS website and filling out a quick form. I'll put a link to that form down below in the description as well. From there, you're gonna put in your business address and you'll put in some information about yourself, your name, your country of citizenship, your date of birth, and from there, you'll have to put in proof of your identity, and you can use your driver's license or passport as proof of your identity. I personally chose to use my passport here. And don't worry if you're from outside the United States, about half the people that join my Amazon FBA program are from outside the United States and they're still able to sell on Amazon. You're then going to click that you are the owner and legal representative of the business and click on next. After that, you're going to put in the name of your bank as well as your routing number and bank account number. This is so that when you start making money on Amazon, Amazon can send that money to your bank account. After you've filled in that information, you're going to click on continue and you'll have to enter your credit card information. Now, warning, a huge mistake that new sellers make at this point is they put in a debit card here instead of a credit card. And if you put in a debit card, sometimes Amazon will flag you, they'll ban your account. Amazon doesn't want you to use a debit card, they want you to use a credit card. And after this, you'll need to put in what you want the name of your store to be. You can put whatever you want here, but I recommend using the same name you have for your business. But you don't need to. For instance, in just a couple days, I'm launching a brand new product called Berberine Tea, which I'm going to be documenting the entire process here on this YouTube channel. So I could put as my store name Berberine Tea, but I decided to call it Passion Products Unlimited, again, because that is the name of my course. That's what I teach. I teach people how to create passion products. So I figured I might as well call my Amazon seller account Passion Products Unlimited. But as I mentioned, I am going to be selling this new product, Berberine Tea. And what's cool about this product is I created and launched this product within just 24 hours. Again, I'm going to be documenting the entire process here on that YouTube channel, and the official launch is just in a couple days, so stay tuned for that. Amazon will then ask you if you have UPC codes for your products. UPC code stands for Universal Product Codes. They're the barcodes that get scanned at the checkout at Target or grocery stores. To get your own UPC code, you can go to gs1.org. They cost about $30 per barcode, and you will need one of these if you're planning on selling your own unique product on Amazon. However, if you're selling someone else's products and they already have a UPC code, that's fine. You can still mark that you have UPC codes for your products. Then Amazon asks if you have any diversity certification. Sometimes Amazon will highlight minority-owned businesses, but sadly, I'm a boring straight white male who is not married. And the last question they will ask you is, do you own the brand that you're going to be selling? And we own this brand, so we're going to click on yes and then click next, and we're up to the final step, which is great because we are technically out of time. And the last step is to upload photos of your passport and proof of residence, which can be a utility bill or a bank statement. And there's a few other options here. And once you complete that step, you may need to do a quick call to verify your identity. And once you're done with that, you will officially have your own Amazon seller account. And it only took around 5 minutes.